And welcome, gears and girls. My name is Gajitz, and this is episode 39 of Feed the Beast Infinity Evolved Skyblock. So, in between episodes, I cleaned up this a little bit and got it working a little better. And basically, what I did was we made a crafting storage. So, or basically like a CPU from AE, so we could use our interface, and then I chucked in a bunch of these patterns into here, so now we can craft these. And today, I want to make a few more of these so that we can get onto auto crafting the proper way, as well as I gotta work out a way to get this line down to here and not like this, because I really don't like that line going down the way it is. But in the meantime, let's get on to making some stuff. Oh, and also I moved uh, the line over to here to the tree and made this, and then I had to make a pattern terminal as well so that we could get our blank patterns set up. But what I want to do is make up some more applied energistic stuff. And we need some more of these guys. Where are you? So we need some more ME storage components. So 61 of those. I think we're only going to get one more crafting terminal. So let's go, I think it's 4 next. We'll make all of those, and then 16. And 5 of those, and then 64. And how many of these? We get 2, nice. And then we want to make up a crafting unit, which I don't think, yeah, we don't have enough stuff anymore. So we need calculation press, which is, hang on. No, processor. So we need, ooh, Gendustry. Okay. This guy, which is pure service quartz. And this guy, which is logic circuits. But, you know what? Let's automate those. Because we've got this one guy over here, and it's not enough. Not enough at all. Oh, we've got a few, like, processes that I've made, but definitely not enough. Whoa. So I'm going to grab all of this stuff. Yeah, and then we're going to head on down because I think downstairs I have some more of the frames. Yeah. So it takes resonant frames, which is a little bit annoying, but hey, it'll make making processes a little bit easier. Let's go in here and I need to grab, okay, chuck you in there and go. So I think I need basically 5 inscribers to do one of everything, because we've got 4 presses. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've got 4 presses, and then we need uh, logic processor, and then we need to combine the processors. So we need, yeah, so we need 5. So I've got 1. So let's make up. Actually, No, we can't do it with one because we don't have Steve's factory manager. And there is a way to do it with AE, but it's a really big pain in the bum. So let's make then. Yeah, let's make them. Uh, so for more inscribers, we need 10k coolant cells. What am I missing though? Okay, so I'm missing these guys, which I need blood. Come on, give me blood. There we go. No, blood. So you, and we need what, like 8 of these? Cool. Then we need, hmm, I think that's all we're missing. Yeah, we're missing the 10k coolant cells for this, I think. We're missing insulated copper. Alright, so I'm gonna go get everything ready for this, and then we should be ready to go. Once I've done that, can I chuck those in there? Yeah, I can. Cool. Alright, so yeah, I'll go get everything ready, and we'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, so I think I have everything. I have 5 inscribers, a bunch of cables and things. Actually, I just realized something. I don't have everything. I'm missing an interface. And I don't think I've got everything. I think I need the inscribers to get... Come on, just run. I think I need the inscribers to inscribe some more stuff for us. But, let's see. Here. Oh no, we've got one ME interface, and we're going to turn it into the flat interface. Actually, no, we want the other one. We want it to be the square block. Cool. And then let's head off here. Actually, yeah, we'll set it all up first, and then we'll sort it out from there. I think, like setting up the everything else that we need for it. So, what I want to do is first off chuck down the chest and then hook up this inscriber. Now, I did move this ME channel all the way down here. It was up here, and I've moved it down here so that now there's 3 going into here and we can actually use it. I'm going to set you to push that way. So 3 of 8, and you're going to push that way. And then next to it, we're going to have our inscribers, and they're going to go like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. The 5th one. Actually, you know what? We can probably build these up rather than across like. Oh, no, no, no. We want to do it this way. Yeah, I remember. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a gap with 5. Because this guy, we need to go this side, and on the back. And then we'll hook up all of those. And then these ones only need to go along the back here. Like so. And then the last one, this one's going to go in. And then you're going to be in and out. And you're going to go in on green. And we're going to say, let's go out on red. And same for the rest of them. Yeah. Extract on red, always active. That's also what I wanted to do. Always active. Self-feed disabled. Oh, so it can go around and feed itself. Don't need round robin, always active, yep. And in out, and this one we need always active and red. This one we need in out, red, always active. And then here we're going to say you're disabled. You are, hang on. I'm pretty sure I can pull from the back. We should probably test that real quick. Let's just go get some gold or something. Actually, we might as well grab all of them, like the silica and everything. Let's see, let's see, let's see. I have to set that up too. I have to set up a silicon, automated silicon one as well. What do we need? We need gold. And I'll take a couple of gold actually. So we need gold. We need pure service. We need redstone. And we need diamonds. I'm going to take a couple of diamonds. And then we need I think yeah, they are. We need you. Okay, so I'm going to grab a few of those as well. And we need silicon. So that's silicon. I wish I could use Project Red silicon because it's so much easier to get than this silicon. So two of you. So that's that. We're going to need some more pure service as well. So like that. Okay. I think that's everything we need. So we're going to turn that into diamond. And that's our printed circuit. So if we head down here, and if I say chuck a logic in here with this, and we've got to hook power up to these guys as well, which is sort of why I wanted them to go down the bottom the way they are, because we're just going to run power straight across from these guys. Yeah, and that should make those. Now, you're always active on the back, yeah? And you're not pulling out. I think I have to pull out on a different side. I was sort of hoping I could pull out from the same side. Oh, hang on, it's got nowhere to go. Let's say your insert for now. And we'll say insert on red. Yeah, there we go, it pulls out. Cool. So that's that one. And you can be, so you're not actually going to be that, you're going to be silicon. You're going to be calculation. You're going to be logic. And you're going to be engineer. That means that this one we can set to pull out as well. So in out, extract, always active. You're not in out, you're just in. And you're in. Okay. And then on this one, we're going to say on this side, you're going to put a printed circuit. And this side, you're going to put redstone. And on this side, you're going to put the three others. So you're going to put one of these guys, and it was this one. And this one, wasn't it? No, this one. There we go. And then these three. And then that should create this as well. So, and then these three, 1, 2, 3. Now my only worry is that if, say, I put a redstone, one of you, and one of you in here, and then set, that's not going right now, and then set the extract to always active, they should come down into here. Oh, did they go into these ones? Why did you go into there? Okay, so we're just gonna have to blacklist these guys from here, I guess. Not in there. Where'd the other one? Oh no, there, it's everything's in here. Cool. Alright. So that means that on the inside we're gonna have to blacklist redstone and all the printed circuits. So you, and you. I probably could, I'll just leave it. And then the same with this one. Oh, hang on. That wasn't blacklisted, was it? Blacklist. Same with this one. Blacklist. This. Come on. This. This. And this. And this. And last but not, almost last but not least, couple more. You, and you. And this one last but not least. Okay, but wrong thing. Redstone, printed, 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 and printed. And you're black. Did I say you were blacklist? No. So they should all be blacklisted, and it shouldn't let. So if I say put gold in there, damn it. And did it end up over here? Yeah, it did. Okay. But the middle slot says only whitelist this one. Hang on. If I went that, this, and this, They should not have ended up in here. Where did they end up? We should be able to go in here. Redstone ended up in there. There? Alright, I'm gonna troubleshoot this and I think we'll have to be back in a sec. Hang on. No, I think I know now. It's upside down, so I need to take this one out of here. And this one, and put this one in here. And then this one in here. Yeah? And then you should go. So, you and you. Nope. Well, anyway, in doing that, I just had a quick thought, and we can change this so you are there, but you are diamond. Yep. So we can say diamonds for this one. Get rid of all of this. Change you to a whitelist and say, pretty sure the next one was logic. Yep. So gold. And do the same here. And then pure service. And last but not least, let's put silicon. Okay, and silicon there. Alright. So now I need you and you to work, please. What if I say your priority 2 and your priority 2? Oh, hang on, I think it needs to go into the top and bottom, but we can fix that by turning it that way. Yeah? Yeah, there we go. Ah, it does. It needs to go into the top and bottom. But, again, easy fix. The other thing, does power need to go into all of them? Can I, like, put that in? And will it? Ah, it will. Okay, okay, okay. So, we can power one, and we can get them all to go. So, give me all of you back, and we can stack it up on top of each other. And make this a little smaller and tidier. So, let's go. I'm just going to use cobble, I think. It'll be a little bit easier. You, and then again, because like that one we can do either side. And you, and then again, grab this one. Arg. And then chuck you there and turn you on your side. Cool. And we're just going to knock that one out for the time being so that they don't have power. and come through here and pick all of this up. And then switch it out for going up and down. Because since they share power, chuck you on the ground for now, we can go switch you to in out and insert crafting grid to clear. You are no. I guess? No, I want... Yeah, that one, and then next one, in out your redstone. So let's put you next to redstone so I know that. Gold, yes. And then the diamond one. Insert diamond. And green, and then the top, we're just going to go out on the edge and to there, and out on the edge and to there. Cool. And this one you're also insert, and you can be all of those. And you're also insert with, no, that was redstone, wasn't it? That one, and then this one is going to get the redstone. Alright, so I'm going to get this running, and then we'll be back to see it in action. Okay, guys, so just making the last pattern. And I think with this one in, we should, and I'm only on 17, so I probably shouldn't have done that. Note to self, check jackpack before jumping off the edge. If we check, so I have all of these ones in here, and if I chuck that one in, that should be the last one. Now, if we head back, and let's say we request a bunch of the other ones, the, what's it called? Over here, we request, so if we go processor, and we don't have any of these, but we have like 100 of everything else, so let's order 100 of these, and start. And if we run down over here, it should start making everything up. The only area where it might get stuck is we don't have silicon set up yet, so we'll have to get onto a more permanent source of silicon. So everything's in there, or going to be in there. Looks like these guys are printing up, and these guys are printing up. And if we go, actually, if we right click on this, we can probably see where it's up to. So we have enough of everything actually, so it's not going to be too much of a problem. And it's crafted 7 of the 100. So right now this is pretty slow, but if we go grab some acceleration cards and chuck those in, it should be fine. So it's arg, let's eat some food so we can sprint. There we go. And we don't really need anything other than acceleration cards in it. So let's see. Card. So I have 6. I think each one takes 4. And we need the diamond ones. So we need 10. We need 20. So that should be the 6. There we go. And let's just quickly charge our jetpack before again I go running off the edge. I still got to get some better armor, eh? All I've been using is the stuff I've been getting from the mob spawner. And we've got to upgrade our jetpack. But once we have AE all set up, and once we've got most of this automation done, it will be... I didn't even check that I put that on properly. Yeah, once we have all the automation and stuff done, it should be okay. So, oh no, there's only 3. So let's go 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. So look at how fast that's going now. It's just like bang, bang, done. So they're going to be much quicker now. And look, we have almost done half of them. All right, cool. Well, with that, guys, if you enjoyed the episode, don't forget to hit that follow and like. I'm sorry I missed Friday's episode, but yeah, life got in the way. But I'll try to keep a proper schedule from now on. I'm also going to maybe be doing some other stuff, but I don't know yet. But anyway, again, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that follow and like, and we will see you next time. All right, guys. Later.